In this video, I'll show you how you can check your Windows 11 drive for error and fix it. So let's dive in. Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can check your Windows 11 drive for error and fix it using your Windows operating system. So to start, on the taskbar, click on File Explorer. A window will pop up. Then on your left side, click on this PC. You will find the drives on your Windows 11. We have drive C and drive E. So to check drive C for an error and fix it, you right click on the drive C. So on the drive C, I right click on it. Then I click on Properties. Then a window will pop up. Then you click on Choose. Then you click on Check Error on Drive. Then you click on Scan Drive to scan the drive for any error. Then you can fix the error. So now the drive is scanning to search for any errors. After searching for it, you can click on to fix any errors on your drive C to ensure good performance on your drive. Thank you. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.